Hi, this is Purnima here, and I'm very excited to welcome you all to my first YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the orchestrator and how it can be set up. The orchestrator structure can be a little tricky to understand, especially for beginners and people who have just started doing UiPath projects. So here, I thank the guest of today, who is Mr. Leru Fernando, who's not only helped me sort my orchestrator, but also encouraged me to post it as a video so that people know and it helps many others like me. So thank you, Leru. Leru is very popular in the UiPath community, as we all know. For those very few who do not know, please do Google up. He's written a lot of articles, very useful articles and videos in with regard to the UiPath basic and advanced technologies. So for best results to understand the video, I would request you to go through the article that Lehru has posted, which is there in my YouTube link on the similar topic, and hope it is useful to many of you as it was for me. Thanks for joining me today. Let's go move on to the video. Yeah,
No.
recording. Yeah. So you were talking about the default folder versus the classic folder versus the other modern folders.
Yeah. So the default folder here is the classic one, what you had for a long time. So the features you have in a default folder is the classic folder is sort of limited, and the robots you create in a classic folder cannot work outside that folder. So basically, you will not have access to any other service like data services, AI fabric, and so on.
Okay.
So for that, they introduced, and also if you actually go into that license, it will actually lock your license for this robot.
Okay.
Uh, but in the new way of connecting, that license is not locked. So let's say you're connecting to through your machine. Do you hear a lot of background noise?
No, I don't.
Okay, because it's raining. Okay, never mind. Let me know if you hear a lot of background
Yeah.
noise. Okay, so in the new way of connecting, mm, once you connect, you at some point you disconnect, right? Once you shut down your computer, for example, then that license gets released so that someone else can use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that doesn't happen with the classic folder. Um, so those are some of the key differences.
Hmm.
And now the robot is actually connected with your login itself. So you don't need to create environments and stuff.
Wow.
Uh, yeah. So this is why your orchestrator is not working as you expected.
Acha.
You have to do that configuration.
Right. So how do I, now that I have already used that old style of doing it, how do I
Yeah.
convert this to, or how do I get back to my new style and how do I make this easier?
Yeah. So the first thing is you first need to delete your previous configurations.
Right.
Yeah. So click on the default folder
Okay. Yeah. Default. Yes.
and go to robots.
Okay.
You will have your processes, don't worry. Just deleting the robot.
Right.
And you just need to delete this. Mm.
And delete this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So that's the first thing. And now you have to go to leave the environment. That's fine.
Environment
Uh,
is okay. It can just be
yeah. Yeah. Just have it because it's only available inside this folder.
okay.
Now click on tenant, and here you first need to create a machine. So click on
Right.
the machines. And which one is your latest?
This one, the second one, Purnima Lenovo. Actually, the previous one is also the same comp, but I don't know how the name got changed.
Okay.
So,
So if you are not sure, you can either delete both.
okay. I can delete both.
Yeah. And,
Right.
okay. And now let's create a new one. Plus, click on the plus button, the blue
Yeah.
color,
Okay.
and not a standard machine. You are creating a template machine.
Oh, what's the difference between standard and template?
Standard and template means in a standard machine that you create a standard machine when the robot is only working in that particular machine.
Right.
But if you create a template, it can move between machines. Yeah.
Okay. So
Like
if I
for
create,
example,
yeah.
if you are using the same account in two different machines, this configuration will allow the robot to work in both.
Ah, got it. Okay. Okay.
So click on that template machine
Yeah.
and just give a name. Don't give template. Give something nice.
I can give my name, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah. And for this license allocation, since this is a template machine, and we have unattended and testing runtimes, so you
Yeah.
can give one for each.
Okay.
So you did the allocation for unattended problem in the cloud platform. Right?
Right.
So you are saying that use that license in this machine. That's what you are trying to say. So just mention it as one.
So I'll mention one here.
Yeah, and give the same thing for testing. In
Okay.
case you think of doing some testing, you have it configured, so you don't need to do it.
Right.
And provision. Okay, cool. So you have the machine. Yeah, copy that.
Okay.
And the next thing is go to users.
I'll save this key, right? In a notepad or somewhere and then
Yeah, yeah.
okay. Okay.
Now go to users. Okay, so here you can see which one is your login.
This one is my login.
Okay. So for this, you have the robot access enabled.
Yeah.
Okay. So click on that and edit.
Click on
Edit.
edit. Okay.
Okay. So this part is fine. Under roles, you can add another one. Automation user. The one below that.
Under attended bot. No, under
No, no, no. In the same screen, there is a section for roles. Yeah. Yeah, that one.
this one. Ah, roles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not add. Not add. Go back. Click on that administrator. Okay. All right. So look for automation user there.
I didn't get it, Leru. Sorry. This.
You have to search for automation user role.
Oh, automation user, is it? Okay.
Okay, so you don't have that. Okay, fine. Can you go back to the roles page? Maybe it's not enough.
Roles page, is it?
Yeah, yeah, maybe. Uh, that would be a role of automation.
I'm not able to hear you clearly, Leru. There is some.
Background noise. Okay, give me a second. So here you should have some more user roles. Can you click on add?
Okay.
Uh, and hold on. I'm not sure why you don't see this automation user role.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Hold on. Can you go back to your cloud platform?
Go back to.
The cloud platform. On your top right, click on TS
Okay.
and back to automation cloud. Go to admin and users and groups. And for your account, click on edit. See, give everything. Automation user and
Ah,
automation user.
right, right, right. Okay.
Now go to your orchestrator again. The automation user is the role that you need to run the processes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So in your orchestrator, yeah, now go to users, click on tenant,
Okay.
users, edit.
Add, isn't it? Okay.
No, you're editing your,
Yeah. Here it'll
and
come.
now see whether you have automation user there. Still no? No.
No. Should we add it here?
Uh, can you go to roles page? It should be there. Leave. Hmm. Okay, so for you it's showing only 3. That's good. Okay, let's create one then.
Add?
Yeah. Uh, okay. And just give the name automation user. And for that,
Shall I create?
scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Find robots and click on the view. Yeah, not all 3, only the first one. Okay,
Oh,
and that's it. For
And
hold permissions, yeah.
okay,
So scroll up.
I'll click on this
No. Scroll up. Go to folder permissions. Up.
folder. Oh, okay. Here, right.
And there you have to give view access for assets and also access for storage files
Okay.
and view access for storage buckets and create environments.
All of it?
The third one only for create.
Create. Okay.
Uh, and folder packages, view and create.
Okay.
Jobs, view and create. Processors and queues only view. And for actions also. Transactions, the first three. Okay, and just go for review and create. Okay, so that's there.
Yeah.
And now you can go to users and edit.
Yeah. Got it.
It should come automatically. I don't know why it's not there.
Do we need administrator also? We need, right?
Yeah, since you are the administrator,
Yeah.
so
Yeah. Yeah. Other things?
and other things you don't.
Okay.
And then go to, so we'll set up an unattended droplet for now because you have to run that process as well. So click on unattended.
This one, right?
Yeah, enable
Okay.
and give your domain and username.
What is the domain and username? My email address, right?
No. Go to command prompt and type who am I.
Oh, okay. Yeah. This one.
Yeah, copy that.
Okay.
And for password, you can give your password that you use to log into your machine. Not the password for this orchestrator, machine password, the one you use to log into the computer.
I
Uh, okay, okay, save. So you have your robot for you now. Hmm. But we still need to do two things. Uh, so click on that robots on the top on your left hand side. So that's your robot.
Oh, wow. So we don't really have to go and create a robo separately, right? It's already on that entire one step we have done both attended
Yeah.
and unattended. That's
Now
nice.
go to your assistant,
Go to?
UiPath assistant, not the orchestrator,
Oh,
assistant.
okay.
don't go for the sign in for now.
Yeah.
Just you see a profile kind of icon on the top right.
Papaya kind of.
The next one. Yeah.
This one. Ah, yeah.
Yes. Click on
Papaya.
it and preferences. Orchestrator settings. Use the machine key for the connection type.
Okay.
So connection type should be machine key, the first one. Uh-huh. And orchestrator. Okay, so paste the machine key first since you already copied it. And the orchestrator URL, you have to get it from your browser.
Yeah.
Copy the link up to orchestrator. Yeah, without the orchestrator part.
This.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you already have it. And connect. So if it works properly, it should say connected and
Yeah.
licensed.
Wow. Ah. Wow. I'm breathing so well now. Thank you, Lero. To see this, I was struggling for so many days.
Yeah. So just give a nice name to this guy.
Yeah. Give your robot a name. What do I give? Purple bot? Is that a nice name? Or insights?
I
Insights.
don't know.
Fine.
My robot is called Esmeralda.
Wow. Insights bot. Okay. It'll give me a lot of good insights. Fine.
Okay.
Get started, is
And
it?
get started. Yeah. Okay, so
Wow.
this is your normal screen. All the processes you have will show here. And now go back to the orchestrator to finish the last few things. Go to folders and okay, you have access to this file. But okay, that's fine. So create a new folder. Just give a nice name for that, whatever it
Nah.
is. Yeah. So whenever you are publishing new processes, publish it into this modern folder.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Uh,
give a nice name like packages or something meaningful for you.
okay, I'll give packages itself.
And have the tenant package feed enabled. So what that means is instead of the general packages page you have in the orchestrator, this folder will have its own package feed. So basically, through Studio, when you're publishing, you have an option to select the package feed, right? If you
Yeah.
remember.
Hmm.
So you can select this folder and publish it directly to the folder itself.
Okay. Okay.
Give me a second, someone is calling.
Sure.
Okay, cool. Mm, in users, go to folders again. Default. Sorry, the packages folder. Uh, it doesn't show that packages. Maybe we didn't select that option.
What is it?
Yeah. Uh, can we delete that folder for now? Sorry.
Sure. I'll remove this.
Yeah, remove. And create a new one with the okay. Give the same name. That's fine.
I'll give process package.
Okay. And for this, select the create a new package feed for this folder. I think we didn't select that option.
Okay. So this, I'll give a description also. Okay.
Okay. And we need to do the same configuration as before
Yeah.
at the machine. Okay. And under users, see whether you have the automation user role. You don't. Add it. Just click on that. Yeah. Add it. And just look for automation. Yeah.
That's all
And
right.
yeah. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Now the
Now go to your
processes.
folder.
Yeah.
It's in your no, on the left hand side corner. Yeah.
This one. Okay.
Yes. And if you check the automations, folder packages,
Right. So
yeah,
it's
but you
got.
need to create the process. So it published as a package, but from the package you need to create your process.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes. Thanks a lot, Leru. Shall I
So
stop the
that's
recording?
how you, yeah,
Yeah. Right. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So that's how you create your orchestrator and organize your stuff.
Yes. Thank you.